Get ready with me, makeup edition. Today's theme will be Barbie. Let's start with the base, creamy eyeshadow base from Douglas. I will start with this as a base. Now that the base is ready, I will go in with something way more pigmented. I might add a little bit of purple to this. I will clean this mess, and from my Huda palette I will add a little bit of gold. Now I will add a very short line just to accentuate a little bit the shape. We are going with the foundation. The pink on my eyes, I will balance it with the blush and lips. I will add a little bit of mascara from Lancome. For my birthday I got this. It fits so nice with my hair and my eyebrows, but I want to make this like an ombre effect. But before adding the pink, I will need to go see myself in the mirror first because my lips are asymmetrical and I need to make them symmetrical. Now I will add some pink gloss. This is a way better color. It's pink, not too much to compete with my eyes. Now for the final touch, because I wouldn't be Barbie, wouldn't be me, I would add some crystals. And after I finish the makeup, here is how it looks with the crystals on.